You want to speak English fluently, but you feel stuck. You study for hours, but you forget the words the next day. It feels like a wall you cannot climb. But what if the key to English is already in your hand? What if you could learn without a teacher and without a book? In this video, I will show you how to turn your phone into your best English coach. You are sitting in your room. It is quiet. You hold your phone in your hand. You want to learn English, but you feel a little bit afraid. Maybe you think, English is too hard. Maybe you think, I do not have enough time. This feeling is normal. It is called language anxiety. It feels like a small wall in front of your heart. You want to speak, you want to understand, but the wall stops you. Today, we are going to break that wall. We are not going to use heavy books. We are not going to sit in a boring classroom for 5 hours. We are going to use the thing you touch 100 times a day, your phone. I promise you today, if you follow this path, you will feel autonomy. This means you are the boss of your learning. You will not learn because you must, you will learn because you want to. Let us begin this journey together, slowly and simply. Imagine you move to London. You walk out of your house. Every sign is in English. Every menu is in English. You must learn to survive. But you are not in London. You are at home. How do we bring London to you? We change the language settings on your phone. When you change your phone to English, something magic happens. You see English words every minute. Settings, messages, search, delete, camera, clock. At first, it feels a little bit scary. You might think, what if I get lost in my own phone? But listen to this story. Real life story. Maria and the train. Maria is a student. She was very afraid of English. One day, she changed her phone to English. 2 days later, she was at the train station. She saw a sign that said, "Delete your old ticket." She knew the word delete because she saw it on her phone every day. She did not study a book. She just lived her life. This is the Goldilocks Zone. What is the Goldilocks Zone? It is a place that is not too hard and not too easy. It is just right. If you read a big English book, it is too hard. You quit. If you only say hello, it is too easy. You get bored. Changing your phone settings is just right. You already know where the buttons are. You know the green button is to answer a call. Now you see the word accept. You learn the word without trying. This is how a child learns. A child does not use a dictionary. A child looks at the world. Why do you want to learn English? Is it because your boss says you must? This is extrinsic motivation. It is like a person pushing you from behind. It is tiring. Is it because you love English movies or you want to make friends? This is intrinsic motivation. It is like a fire inside your heart. It pulls you forward. Use your phone for things you love. If you love cooking, watch a short cooking video in English. If you love football, read the scores in English. Real life story. Ahmed and the video game. Ahmed loves playing games on his phone. He joined a group project in a game. The other players spoke English. Ahmed was nervous, but he wanted to win the game. This was his intrinsic motivation. He used his phone to translate small words like run, help, and left. After 1 month, Ahmed was not just a player, he was a leader. He learned English because how do we keep the words in our head? We use the retention trinity. See the word on your phone. Example, notification. Use the word. Example, tell a friend, I have a notification. Feel happy because you understood. When you feel happy, your brain says, I like this. Let us do it again. You do not need to be perfect. Perfection is the enemy of learning. If you see a word on your phone and you do not know it, that is okay. Do not worry. Look at the icon. The icon tells you the meaning. Your phone is a teacher that is always in your pocket. It does not get angry. It does not give you a bad grade. It just waits for you. We have talked about many things today. We talked about language anxiety, that small wall of fear. We talked about the Goldilocks Zone, making it just right. And we talked about intrinsic motivation, the fire in your heart. Learning English is not a race, it is a walk. Think about your phone. It is a tool. You can use it to waste time, or you can use it to build a new life. When you change your settings to English, you are telling the world, I am a learner. I am growing. I have one small task for you today. It will take only 1 minute. Open your phone settings, change the language to English. Do not worry, you can change it back later if you need to, but try it for 1 day, just 1 day. When you see the word clock instead of the word in your first language, smile. You are now practicing English. You are doing a great job. If you liked this video, please join our community. Click the subscribe button. We are all on this mastery journey together. Write a comment below. Tell me, what is the first English word you see on your phone today? I will see you in the next video. Stay calm and keep learning. Goodbye for now.